Today, I will be showing you how we can preserve and use our own cucumbers. I grow 50 plants of cucumbers all on straw bales. And stay tuned to the end for our special tip about keeping our cucumbers crunchy when we can them. We grow two kinds of cucumbers. We grow our pickling cucumbers, so basically pickles, and we grow some bitter-free cucumbers. So stay tuned to the end for that good tip.
Vineyardchicks, music, homesteading, and more.
I am so excited because we have a lot of cucumbers that we harvested. Last year, the frost hurt our cucumbers, but this year we planted a little bit later, and that was the right thing to do. Because look how many cucumbers we have.
This is the second basket we've brought in that's that is full of cucumbers, and we've already sliced the other basket up. And there's still more in the garden that are getting bigger, and some of them are even ready to harvest. So we are not short on cucumbers at all.
We literally have cucumbers coming out of our ears. KayKay is going to show you how we can our cucumbers for the winter.
The recipe we're going to be using is going to use 7 1/3 cups of water, 3 1/2 cups of white distilled vinegar, and Mrs. Wage's spicy pickles mix. And I already have jars in the oven that are sterilizing after I've washed them, and this is going to help them keep hot as well as keep any bacteria and germs out of it. And we also have the water that we're going to be canning them already ready.
And KayKay will also be showing you how we keep our cucumbers nice and crunchy when we can them using our secret ingredient. You don't want to miss it, because who likes mushy cucumbers?
So the first step, we're just going to take the vinegar, the water, and the mix and just get that to a boil. Then, while that's going, we're going to cut our cucumbers into spears by cutting off the edges and cutting them in 4 like that.
It smells like pickle already.
I'm going to put this on the stove and let it boil, and then while that's boiling, we're going to cut up the cucumbers.
Reminds me of our pickle barrels. While they're cutting cucumbers and Trey is helping her, I'm going to make my salad. I will be showing you how we make our special Italian cucumber salad. The cucumbers are already cut. The onion. I don't even know, it could be like the spice. Then some dill. This is from the gazebo. And then we've got some salt. vinegar. Now this is the part that's Italian, the Italian spice vinegar made from our wine vinegar. So.
You're going to be a strong farm girl.
I think that's enough.
Now that the cucumbers are all cut, I'm removing the sanitized ball jars from the oven, which have been sitting at 200 degrees. And this is the secret ingredient you've been waiting for. Grape skins, grape seeds, and grape leaves are very high in tannins. This all-natural source of tannins will help preserve the crunch when canning. We are actually running an experiment with this batch to see if we prefer 1, 2, 3, or 4 grape leaves in our pickles. The more the crunchier, but we're also looking at when we pick up the grape leaf flavor, and we will keep you posted on when we enjoy these pickles. This jar gets 2 leaves, and I roll them up between pickle slices to keep them out of the way as I fill the jar. And if you've never made spicy pickles, fair warning, open the windows because the brine is crazy strong. If you've never canned pickles, you're going to need to leave a ½ inch of headspace. And wipe down the rim with a vinegar-moistened cloth. I love this magnetic lid lifter. It makes canning so much easier. Just finger tighten the lid and lift into the water bath canner, which is already boiling. "15 minutes for quarts and 10 minutes for pints. When finished, it is important to not tip the jar. The jar lifter does a great job helping to remove them with the pickled brine level. We love Italian cucumber salad now and pickles all winter. Watch out for more of our cucumber videos as we are in full harvest now, and if you need a source for grape leaves, send us an email and we can work something out. Blessings from our home to yours.